All right, we got the wall nice and glued up on that side. Now we're gonna brace this side to there. Whole wall. What'd you think, Pop?
That's good.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of time.
Yeah, look, so I pretty much got this built, this whole wall built besides that bottom beam. I can get more lumber. I could use this one, but this is a 1x3. I'm gonna save this for something. Could use it, but I don't know. I'm replacing this beam. All right, people. Me and my girlfriend just got done putting in these side beams. Not too shabby considering I'm no friggin' carpenter. This one looks kind of bad, but it's structurally strong. And it's glued in, riveted from the outside. Eventually I might throw a screw in up here into that one. Same with this one, but it's strong enough, man. Okay, right now I'm gonna build the underneath the here frame. It's gonna go from this wall underneath to that wall. And then I'll do the top part, sides, and then I'll incorporate the little plastic pieces that go in the window right there. I really think they're a must-have for this project. So yeah, let me see what I can do. Let's get it rocking. Alright people, I made this bracket. I pretty much L'd it into here. Same with that side. I lipped it right up against this aluminum so when the window fits back in it, it's a perfect spot. Then I drilled screws right down into this. Excited about it, man. So I gotta rebuild this wall. I gotta cut the floor up in this whole wall, but that's its own project, guys. Once I get this front end done, pretty much just need to build the top one, the sides, and get the braces for the little square pieces for the window to fit back in. And that's done. I'm excited. Then I guess start on this wall over here, back there. I gotta throw the beams in there and brace the whole wall up against the frame. Got this piece drilled in from the sides into this one. Top and bottom, I glued it. I got these clamps drying. I gotta start on this side. I gotta put the plastic pieces in here. Jake's pulling the back out. I'm gonna start taking this back wall off to peel the whole wall out. So I gotta fix it from the inside and fix the back wall because it's all rotted out, obviously. The whole back end's off. It's really bad under there. And man, peeled it off. Now I gotta clean up, gotta peel all this nasty shit off. Reframe it in. Let's go, Daddy-o. Let's still do this. Alright, man. Got the whole ass end off. I gotta clean all this up. I'm gonna replace all the beams in here. I'm peeling this all off the wall until right there. I'm leaving this in. Keeping the sink out because I don't need a bathroom sink too, and plus I want more room for the pooper.
He wants to poop.
Looks like they put a cream soda can there, factory, to keep the drain out. Maybe they didn't, but then again, the screws are coming in from this way, and I doubt they pulled this all out from the inside to bang these little screws in. Then again, they might have. Who knows? That's not my big worries, at least my worries. Now my big concern, main concern for this project is I have to expose everything nicely and pull this whole wall apart, get everything off this wall. It's gonna be a little project. Yeah, man. Me and my buddy Jake. Sometimes you just gotta get down and dirty with it if you want a nice camper. So I'm gonna have this whole wall rebuilt, and it's only leaking a tiny bit under this side window, so I'm really not gonna mess with it because this whole wall is pretty solid. As for the front, this should be dried, so I gotta glue this top strip now. And yeah. And by next time you see me, I should have everything cleaned up. Yeah. I'm gonna beam from straight here to here. We're gonna tack that in where it's supposed to be, so we can run the cabinets back up. And then of course we'll do the cabinets on. We're gonna have to figure out where the cabinets were. Pretty much got this wall off. We're just trying to brace this wall against here. We're gluing shit up. I'm gonna rebuild the hot water heater one when I get more time and wood. That's gluing over there. Girls looking pretty as always. We got this supported up against this beam, so the wheel well's fixed. Now we're trying to get this cross one up so we can attach this one and just support, make this thing way stronger. We're using a 1x3 instead of a pussy 1x2. Then once that's fixed, we're gonna glue this board up against this 1x2, and hopefully the clamps are big enough to reach. If not, we'll tape the fuck out of it through the windows. Jake ain't playing no games here. I got this beam sank in nicely. This whole wall is coming together. I don't break my neck.
Man, is that what we're looking for, or what?
Dang, look at that homemade 90 Jake just made because he ran out of brackets. What a man. Got these gluing up still. It's getting a little chilly out here. I got my tape job, getting that wall glued. I don't really got the lumber right now to build the back, and I'm an idiot. But when the time comes, obviously I'm going to re-glue these woods up, clamp them. We'll glue it into there, clamp it, boom. Yeah, pretty much. I'm going to rebuild the inside. The front's pretty much done. I just need to put the windows back in and all insulate with some the square insulation stuff, glue it up against the walls. And we're just working on this wall, getting this wall fixed up and strong again because this ain't cool. I'm probably gonna throw some glue right here and tape all the way around it to push this wall in. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, people. We got this cross beam in. Got this cross beam in. We got this braced up. Just cleaned up everywhere. The girls playing our games. Alright, on our way to the auto parts store and the Home Depot or whatever the hell. We're gonna try to find some butyl tape, pick up some lumber. You got to say about the project, Bob?
Good luck.
Yeah, picking up 9 1x2s, 1 1x3, some liquid now. Try to finish this back wall. Just got the wood, stopped at McDonald's. On the way back. Alright. Hopefully we can get back soon. Maybe find some butyl tape at that RV place I'm about to go head to. I wound up coming to a mobile home window and door place and I found butyl tape. Oh, thank God.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hey, Miss. The butyl tape right there, man. That shit was hard to find. Cause I really wasn't trying to order that shit online, people. And I might have to order the decor self-sealant lappet online. But at least everything will be sealed, and that can just be for the neat, you know, work on the roof and around the screw holes and all that good fancy stuff, which ain't gonna cause a problem anytime soon. But yeah, I'm definitely glad I got that butyl. Hope it's thick enough. Pretty sure it will be. It's about 1 inch thick, so should be good enough. All right, finally back with the butyl, and it feels good, man. Now I'm gonna set up everything so I can come in here and start, you know, see what I can do. I put these little brackets up. It should hold alright. It split a little bit right there, but it'll be alright. Should hold still. I'm about to put the beam right here all the way to the bottom, like I did the back. I got them clamped. I took them down to here, so I'm gonna obviously fill that in with a fly when I'm done, all the way down. But yeah, piece is done. I can clamp this side, start this side. Alright, people, got that side beam up, cleaned all this off. Gonna run this support beam, run it down there, run the sides, similar to this.
Works me like a dog.
And I'm probably gonna put a beam right here. That's something for this piece of wood to staple into. Let's see what we can do. Working my dad like a dog. Alright, people, got this wall built. Put the cross beam in the cross. Got these beams up. Gonna put this beam up next across the dresser. Now I can put the 2 sides up. Boop, 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 boop. One under the window, boop. And figure out where the window goes eventually. But yeah, that's her. Alright guys, it's starting to look like an actual fucking camper again, kinda. Got it framed in kinda. I still gotta find where the window fitment is. So I can measure. I'm gonna measure the window and leave about 2-inch space up here. 2 or 3. Then I'm gonna, you know, put the beam obviously. But yeah, let's see what we can do. Since I still got it, I'm just gonna go off my wood pile. Obviously top of the roof, window beam, window cutout. See, I gotta find where I gotta put this bottom beam at that goes under the window. I don't know if it needs one, but I'm putting one anyway. Just cause I feel as if, you know, it needs it. Let's do it. Alright people, it's getting there. Gotta get this bottom crossboard all the way across. Have something for the bottom to bite into. Yeah. Oh, I got that beam in. Supported. That one. I'm gonna put an extra beam over here just because this wood's a little rotten, and when the time comes to rebuild that wall, this will at least support it. I'm my boy Jaco here fucking around with this.
Yeah, fucking. Yeah, get that on.
Since
camera.
I don't,
Me beating a fucking staple out with, you know.
He's beating a staple out with a fucking tire iron, a jack handle. But hey, looking pretty as always. She's always down, chill. Yeah, it's coming together, guys. I'm excited. Just gonna test fit the tub, make sure everything's good.
Some bread.
All right, guys. I'm putting the fucking beam in for the bathroom. I gotta run it here so the sink, so the shower fits right up against it. And yeah, hopefully it goes smooth. We got the back in framed up. We're starting to frame it around a hot water heater. I don't know if you can see it. Well, it might not be long enough. We put a beam there and we're just getting everything right. We get some butyl tape on this bad boy. Damn. Everything's feeling nice. Feels good actually having something to bite into with them screws instead of rotten wood. You will check it out later. I'm gonna end it for the night.
Oh, baby, the way you shake it, I can't believe it. I ain't never seen her. The way you move it, you make my PB go. Doing, doing, doing.